Alright y'all, so today we're going to be getting rid of the stock exhaust on this 24 F-150. It is a 5.0. Got this Roughcountry down here, full catback. I had the same system on my 2018. As you can see, we laid it all out already. Up front where the catback gets bolted in, they switched around the male to female. So you could make it work if you decide to cut up the stock one, but I want to keep the stock one all in one piece for if I ever get rid of the truck, which I don't plan on it. But so we're just going to go ahead, pull the stock one off. It's pretty simple. It's like 2 bolts up front, 1 clamp bolt, and then just all the hangers. You can pull it right out in 2 pieces. If you're here just for the sound clips, you can skip to this part of the video right here. If not, we're going to show you how to throw this whole system on. It's really simple. Anybody can do it. You can do it in a driveway, but it's a lot easier on a hoist. So for this whole install, you just need a 13, a 15, and a 16, preferably a wobble. And then one of these fancy tools will help you with the hangers if you got one. If not, you just gotta yank her a little bit. I don't even know what this thing is called. Red gave it to me.
Give her a little trust there.
It's not going anywhere. Yeah, as you can see, it's all one piece. Coming all the way up to this clamp right here. So we'll probably start right here. It might be easier that we can get it out of these hangers. So this one right here will be a 15 mil. You just loosen it up, you ain't gotta pull it all the way out. Hey, at least I ain't gotta worry about rust falling in my eyes.
Yeah.
I have to get it out of the hangers and then bring the whole exhaust forward this way to get it out. I already sprayed these with WD-40 just to help a little bit.
Lubrication is key.
It fucking works. Alright, so we found out there's a little tab right here. Just bend this little piece up. Oh yeah, look at that.
Indubitably. And she's out.
Give you a one time thing pop in. And then these front bolts up here will be your 13s. Gotta die. Alright, let's go rip this fucker around like we did the last one. Oh, this one reuses the same bolts. The last one you had to put different bolts in it. You don't want to fully tighten anything. When you're doing an exhaust like this, you want to keep everything loose so that you know you got everything in place before you crank it all down. So I had one muffler split before because I had too much pressure on it. Help. Come on in. Alright, so we just got this catback fully installed. Got everything snugged up. As you're going through it, you want to keep everything a little loose. You can snug it, but you don't want to crank anything down yet. And if you're doing this on a 21 plus, and you got the same system, starting out over here, you want to take this hanger mount from this side, pop these clips off, you can move it to right here. Up front, it's pretty simple. Run your 2 bolts like you normally would. On the paper instructions, it says use a long mid pipe, but you'll use your medium one. So you get like a small, a medium, and a long. Your small one will end up going right here on your passenger side. Held this up with the crankshaft, mocked everything up, snugged it a little bit. You got a hanger that you install on your driver's side up in here. You want to make sure you got clearance. You can be a little tight on your leaf springs because once the truck comes down, your leaf springs are going to go up. And you're never going to see this clearance unless you're jumping it. And if you're jumping it like that, then you got a problem, obviously. And same thing with this side. Just haven't put the tailpipes on yet, but I'm gonna wait till we get on the ground so I can make sure they're all level and everything like that. This was a really simple install. It just takes a minute. Make sure you got clearance. Make sure everything lines up. You're all the way into your bevels and everything like that. So now we're gonna drop this thing down, let you guys hear what it sounds like. Hopefully it's louder than the last one. Probably gonna get an engine light with it being the 24.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?